Of course, in this service provision, with the good combination and integration of these service factors and goods factors, right? The integration of manufacturing, mining, quarrying, agriculture, construction, and with those service subsectors, of course, they need to really work together, right? Right? For service provision, right? So imagine the whole value chain is really being managed uh, strategically and efficiently. You can see this service provision we be really achieved and delivered successfully to achieve this efficient and effective channeling of the process, may it be physical or virtually, or in fact, you can see that service experience or outputs or outcomes are in fact is omni experience, right? That's why we emphasize this omni-channels management, right? With this physical and virtual distribution channels and interactions of these social and economic activities from time to time, right? So hopefully with these various increment in productivity, technology, innovations, and even the morality and spirituality of the people in Sarawak, we really believe that we are going to achieve a higher level of income and prosperity, right? If it is service driven. In fact, I just want to share with us when we heard of the word service, it is really what we do, right? And also what we have and how we do things, right? Our service can be our service to ourselves, our service to others, our service to the nature, even our service to our deceived or supernatural, right? So it's what we have, what we do, and how we do things, right? Being service.